Jesse, when's your birthday? Huh? Hey, when's your birthday?
May 10.
When's Mommy's birthday?
May 10.
How about Daddy?
January 5.
No.
It's my birthday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy's is January 8th.
January 8.
Jesse, how old are you going to be?
How old are you going to be? What's that? How many is that?
3.
What's Mama's name?
I'm Rachel.
No, what's Mama's name?
Rachel.
No, what's Mama's name?
I'm Ada.
How about Papa?
Rachel.
How about Tita?
I'm Ria.
And Tito?
Tutu.
How about Daddy?
David.
And what's Mommy's name? What's my name?
Wayla.
Good.
Oh.
Can you say hi? Be careful. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say, I'm Jesse,
I'm Jessie.
and I'm a bad boy.
I'm bad boy. Wait, I'm bad boy.
Yeah, Jesse, I'll be bad boy.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
You bad boy.
Why?
You tell me why.